Since the last time we played, I have changed a few things about our game. I have removed the collision sensor from the coin actor, changed its physics property to cannot be pushed, and I have added a few more coins to our scene. Collisions are extremely important to our game. Other than determining when and if the resources in our game can crash into each other, they allow us to trigger collision event references. Events are the building blocks of behaviors. In essence, they are things that can happen in our game that can cause some type of reaction or response. In a game, collectible items usually disappear from a level on contact with the main character. But as you can see here, that does not happen. Also, enemies are used in the game as an obstacle that could hurt or kill an actor. But when our main actor collides with this enemy, nothing happens. Well, how can we fix these problems? The answer is by adding an actor behavior. To create an actor behavior, on your dashboard, under Logic, select Actor Behaviors. Then, click on the green Create New button on the right-hand side of your screen. When the Create New dialog box displays, type in the name of your behavior. Let's go ahead and type in Collect Items, and then make sure to hit Create. This area is called the Design mode. Here, you will be able to build your own code for the collect item behavior using what's called code blocks. Let's go ahead and create an event that will allow our actor to collect an item. Click on the Add Event button and move your mouse to Collisions and select Member of Group. This will display an orange block, which is called an event wrapper, that when triggered will execute any code blocks that we place inside of it. Looking at this wrapper, this code will be executed when self hits a member of a selected actor group. Then it will execute the blocks that goes here in this space. So when self hits a member of, let's select the actor group we want to use by hitting the drop down arrow, then go into choose group. Let's select the collectibles field and then hit OK. Now our event wrapper reads when self hits a member of the collectibles group, perform this code. Now, navigate your mouse to the design palette on the right side of your window. Make sure the Actors option is selected. Then, move down and select Properties from the row of buttons below. Here you will see the Alive Dead area. Do you see the code block that says Kill Self? Let's hold down the left mouse click button on it and drag it over to our event wrapper and then let it go. Now looking at our code block, it says, when self hits a member of the collectible group, kill self. But that would mean that our actor would be killed if they touch a collectible group item, and that's definitely not what we want to happen. Do you see these two buttons here? First actor and member of group? We can use these two to enhance our code. We can drag one of these buttons to our kill self block in order to fix this event. Which one do you think we will use? Well, if you guessed member of group button, you guessed right. Let's hold down on the left mouse click button and drag it to the kill self block. When you see the word self highlight, go ahead and release the code block there and it will snap into place. When items are collected in a video game, they are usually removed from the scene. In Stencil, this is called killed. The item is killed so as not to be seen. With this event we have created, here when our actor hits any collectible item placed inside of the collectibles group, Stencil will kill the member of that group. That is, make this item disappear from the scene. All we need to do now is to attach this behavior to our actor. Click on the green Attach to Actor Type button, then on the Choose an Actor Type screen, select your main character and then hit the OK button. You should now see in your Actor's Behavior screen the Collect Item behavior attached to your character. It should show you the icon of a hammer to let you know that it is a created behavior and not one of Stencil's predefined behaviors. Now, all that's left is for you to save your game and then test it so that we can see what happens next. Last time that we played our game and the actor collided with our coin, the coin stayed on the scene. Actually, our character was able to walk across them like a bridge. But now, because of our collect item event, when our actor hits a coin, it is killed and disappears from our scene. Nothing still happens though when our actor touches our enemy. Believe it or not, we can use almost the same exact code to create a desired effect. Let's go back and create another actor behavior to adjust this. Now we're going to create a behavior that makes our enemy character dangerous to our main actor. To do so, let's go ahead and click on Actor Behaviors under Logic, and then go ahead and click on the green Create New button on the right hand side of the screen. When you get to the Create New screen, let's name this behavior Kill Me, and then hit the Create button. Like before, click on the Add Event button and navigate to Collisions. For this time, choose Actor of Type. We are choosing this to show that even if we didn't create a collision group, we can still trigger an event by an individual actor type colliding with another. The choice is yours. A similar event wrapper displays itself. The only difference is that it says when self hits an actor type and not a member of an actor group. Therefore, except for choosing a group, we will be choosing an individual actor type for this code block to actually work. Now let's locate the Kill Self block and drag it to our event wrapper. Remember, the actor option of our palette needs to be selected first, and then we will find it inside of Properties under the Live Dead section. Our code block now reads, when self hits an actor type, kill self. Well, what are we trying to do here? We're trying to make our main actor die when he hits one of our enemy characters. So let's click on Actor Type, then select Choose Actor Type, and select the enemy character from this screen. Once we select him, let's go ahead and hit the OK button at the bottom. Now code block reads, when self hits an enemy character, kill self. Now we just need to let Stencil know who the self is in this event by clicking on the green Attach to Actor Type button and selecting our main actor. Don't forget to hit OK when you're done. This now transfers us back to our actor's behavior screen, where we should now see the Kill Me behavior also attached to our main actor. All that's left is for us to save our game and test it so we can see the effect of this event on our game. The last time we played our game, due to the collect item behavior, we was able to collect our coins. Now we attach another behavior that kills our main actor when he hits the enemy actor. Collisions mixed with some custom behaviors will allow us endless possibilities of enhancing our games. I'm curious to see what you will create with what you just learned.